Okay, so we're going to just try and put the ball joint in, bottom ball joint on the front of the VX while the wishbone's in situ. Just going to see if I can do it or not, that's all. So we're going to put that over the top. That'll sit nicely over the top. You've all seen this before. Just get that seated. You know we have to get this on. I'm going to probably have to touch up the wishbone because it's going to take off some of the paint work. Oh. Okay. Right, let's come off. Let me get it seated and then we'll restart the video again.